Hello all, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. So, welcome back to the Learning Zone with Manpreet Kaur. Today I am back with a new and a very new video of the writing skills. See, I have completed the phonic sounds, the stories based on each and every letter plus how to formation of the letters. We have done in a practical way. So today we will be starting with the writing skills. The mothers, those who are worried for the child that my child is not able to write properly, my child is not able to hold the pencil or crayon properly. So this video will be beneficial for those mothers and for those kids, those who want to practice more but they don't know how to do. So we are going to do this first. I hope before starting this video, my all mothers, all parents and all kids have done the videos which I have given you based on the fine motor skills, gross motor skills. You can check in my playlist that I have made many more videos related to fine motor skills, eye hand coordination also. Because now I am going to hand over a crayon to my child. Hand over a crayon. Now it's the time to give crayons to your child, as we have done with the fine motor skills. If you haven't seen yet those videos, kindly go and check out those videos and practice at least 15 to 20 days those activities. Then give a crayon to your child, crayon also thick one, just to scribble it like this. And after a thick crayon, now it's the time to come when our kids have grown up. Time to come to give the child a thin crayon, means a normal domes or any company crayon, a normal crayon in which my child, your child can write properly. So before that, this is the full format I will be giving you with the writing step by step. Mothers, please don't run with your concepts, don't run with all these exercises. These need time and your kids take time to complete this. Just one day practice, don't make a child a good one, the best one in their writing. So this needs time, just give them the time. So first step, what you should do, just make a colorful worksheet like this. If you want, I'll share more worksheets like this only. I have a board, you can write it in your A4 size sheet or in your notebook. First make a worksheet like this and make your child sit in front of you and tell your child, wow, today we are going to use crayons, you know, and today we are going to do the standing line. Make with the help of your finger, with your index finger, standing line. This is also fine motor skill. Help your child. This is a child's finger, this is your finger. Both of you do it like this. Today we are going to do the standing line and the sleeping line. Now in my mind, it's clear that today I am going to learn more about the standing line and the sleeping line. Now I am very excited. Wow, my mama is going to teach me about the standing line and the sleeping line. So very first step, what you have to do? Parents do make mistake. They make a dot and tell a child to just trace this dot. No, this is a very wrong thing at an early age, because this is not the first step. This is the second step. First step is this. These types of lines should be made. So in these lines, just make a balloon like this and tell a child, oh, just hold the balloon and join the dots properly. This will make a standing line. Give a crayon to your child and tell to trace these lines. So child will join the lines like this. Eye hand coordination. Child can draw it here and there also, it's okay. You need to do this practice 4 to 5 days, these types of lines only. Daily a page of these types of line. Practice it daily. Child will join like this. Okay, you can make it with using sketch pens, colorful sketch pen, and give a crayon. If you are making it with red sketch pen, give a yellow crayon, give a blue crayon, means the other crayon. Now first day I have done this, second day also I have done this, third day also I have done this, it's okay. Now fourth day, now at least I can do a standing line. So this is the second day. This is the days, so we have completed here 4 to 5 days. This is the second step. Now these dots are there. Now my child is able to draw the standing line. So my child is able to join these dots also like this. Yes, you can join these dots like this. Ooh, my child will join it like this. You can make it more colorful. You can make a dot like this, and join it here. But be careful, the very first dot and this last dot means my child should know from where should I go and where should I reach. These points should be dotted nicely. It should be highlighted like this, that this is my limit. From here I have to move and here I have to reach. If child is going it like this, like this, like this, like this, and he will reach here like this again. He will reach here by no matter. Now this was the standing line practice. Now what about the sleeping line? It should also be done. See, this is my cat. Cat is crying a lot. Why cat is crying? Your child will ask, why mama cat is crying? So you will say, cat wants to have milk. Oh, the child will say, how can I help mama? So you will say, go and just make a cat move here like this and give this glass of milk to this cat. So what child will do? Sleeping line. This is the practice of the sleeping line like this. Now 2-3 days I have done with these types of lines. Now then I'll join the dots like this. Same way, these dots are there. I'll join these dots in the way of sleeping line. I have done sleeping line also. Now 3-4 days I have completed this sleeping line. Now it's time for the revision. Now I'm getting very much bored. I have done standing line, I have done sleeping line. Now what's the time? The revision of both the lines together. You can make a ladder like this. Ladder, in ladder there is a standing line also, and in the ladder there is a sleeping line also. In a ladder there is a sleeping line also. So I have very carefully joined these lines, and now I am perfect in making standing line and sleeping line. These exercises will help a child to do standing and sleeping line. Likewise, like you can give pencil also to your child. Now let's do it with your pencils. This will improve their handwriting and improve their skills also. They will be able to form proper lines and proper letters. Now in my next video, I'll be telling you more about the slanting lines and more secrets about the writing skills. Thank you. Thanks for watching.